Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am planning in my wellness planner, which is the black and white planner, and it is for the week of July 5th through 11th. I am going to continue using these stripes and florals from Kellofaplan for the rest of the month. So if you want to see some spreads created with just one sticker book, and I'm not adding any washi or anything. The only other thing I am allowed to use is a stencil and pens. So if you're interested in seeing what does a full month of single sticker book look like, you can go and view my previous flip throughs of the planners, or you can stick around for each one of these, or actually both. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate you so very much. And don't forget to check out the giveaway if you are already subscribed, as this one is open for my current subscribers only. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you like it here. There's a lot more giveaways coming your way, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned with me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the spread. Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys very soon for another plan with me.